Being able to take a simple thing like some shopping, some furniture, whatever it might be, upstairs in the lift and emerge at the top, it just seemed surreal. I'm John, and we've just recently built a new home down here in Thirroul. Yeah, Velocity were great to work with in that we had already committed to a location for the lift in the house. The plans were done and construction had commenced, so it had to be a lift that was going to suit our particular opportunity or our particular site. And the Velocity team then were able to take the plans and then come back with a solution that fitted not just our budget, but also was going to work in the house. I like the fact that it's simple and easy to use. I think the fact that it's fully transparent, there's no sort of feeling of claustrophobia. It's actually quite a fun experience to actually be in the lift and then just be able to see yourself rising above or descending below the floor level. Being able to take a simple thing like some shopping, some furniture, whatever it might be, upstairs in the lift and emerge at the top, it just seemed surreal. We do anticipate that as you get older, mobility is not assured, and we wanted a lift that would actually enable us to, if necessary, have a walker or perhaps even a wheelchair at some stage in the future. Even if we were just recovering from a health issue, it would still mean that we could enjoy our house and not have to either sell or set up a downstairs living area. I'd recommend Velocity because they are specialists in home lift design, manufacture and installation. This way you're assured that you're dealing with someone who truly understands how an average homeowner expects to be able to operate and maintain a lift compared to, say, someone who's managing a building.